The sugar's hitting her system. She's starting to fling. You're doing a good job of getting all that icing eaten. Stephanie, back over here. Oh, don't touch that with the icing hand. You've done a pretty good job. Let's look at that. Wow. Way to destroy a cupcake. You went in and showed that cupcake who was boss, didn't you? Uh-oh. She's just flinging now. She's still eating?
Hey, Blair. Guess what?
Daddy's gonna join you. Daddy's gonna join you.
Yeah.
Maybe you should put the hat on too.
Here we go. See?
The hat's not so scary to wear.
It's fun to be birthday.
It's fun to be one.
Yay.
It's fun to be one. She wants to give you some of that cake.
It's good.
There, give Daddy some cake.
Oh, do you want my bib?
Bless you. Did she just spray cake?
Really close.
Oh,
almost.
where'd he go? We've got a pile of cake on the floor there.
Okay.
Okay, I think you might be finished. If you fling that instead of putting it in your mouth.
Yeah.
Alright, you got just about 5 seconds to put something else in your mouth. We're going to assume you're finished with the eating part.
Yay.
Oh, you have it in your hair. Let's get that. Let's get a close-up of that. Alright, there's it in your hair.
Okay.
Look at that. Oh, she put it in her mouth. She said I could do that.
The cake now.
Oh, thank you, honey. Thank you. You going to give me some too? Oh my goodness. Cake is good, isn't it?